Welcome to Whatever Garage. Today, we're going to start putting the accessories back on the crate motor on the 79 Corvette. Finally. Come on. Welcome back to Whatever Garage, and the day you've been waiting for. Back to work on the 1979 Corvette with the brand new crate motor in there that we haven't done jack shit with. I don't know why I've been apprehensive about getting back to this one. Maybe it's because the other one runs and I can drive it and play with it. But enough talk. Let's get started. As you can see, this has become my junk pile. Anything I'm not currently using, I just put on here. Like, why couldn't I have thrown that away? It's empty. So why don't we do that? Anyway, I'm gonna start straightening up and then we'll get back with you. All right, straightened up a little bit. Had to get my bearings, try to remember where we left off. Remember, it's been 3 months since we put this motor in. Okay, we don't have an alternator because I used it for the other Corvette, so I still have to get one of those. The fan, have you ever heard of this? The damn fan leaking oil? I shit you not. This thing left a whole puddle of oil on here, so I would assume that means it's bad now. But I'm still gonna put it on because I don't have another one yet, and I just wanna make some progress. They're easy enough to take back off. I say that, I'll be kicking myself in the ass later, I'm sure. We got the carburetor. The headers are down there. I still need to plumb the fuel line. Oh, I still need to put the fuel pump back in. It's just sitting there. Yeah, really trying to reorientate myself on this. Is the starter even hooked up? No, it's not. The starter's in, but it's not wired. I took it apart while I was, or I just didn't put it back together. One of the two. I don't remember. What else? There's a lot less crap in this engine compartment than the 81, which I really like. Unfortunately, there's still vacuum lines. But all that stuff's new up there. So it should work. I think it's new. I don't know. Remember, I've been working on this car for years, and it's sort of my learning project, you know. And I wonder if that windshield wiper works. No, I'm not going to take it off and put it on the other one. I refuse to do that. You know how much those damn things are? They're expensive. But I did an intro when I started this, when I was going to start this project 3 months ago, and then I did an intro today. So you tell me which one you like better. And I'm gonna quit talking and get started. Let's start with a pulley. Installed. Fan. Installed. Gasket. Installed. Carburetor. Installed. Fuel pump. Installed. Passenger side header with temporary muffler. Installed. Driver's side header with temporary muffler. Installed. Dipstick. Dipstick tube installed. Lost the dipstick. Can't find it. Well, how about this? I found the dipstick. It was in the other garage because I started using the other belt sander in there and it died on me. It's always something with tools. All right, I got us a filter. I got us some oil. I'm a quart short. So let me get underneath and take a look. All right, I just checked. She's already got a filter. So let's check to see if she's got oil. It's been 3 months. I don't think I put oil in this thing because I still have another thing of my zinc additive over there. And I only bought 2. One for the other motor, one for this motor. And that would be completely bone dry. Time for oil. All right, she got her 5 quarts. Now she gets her zinc supplement. Drink it up, little girl. There you go. Well, I haven't even gotten to the other header yet, and we've sprung a leak. Trying to locate it now. All right, so it turns out the first little oil leak scare was the valve cover. I didn't have it down tight, and I didn't have these 2 bottom retainer pieces to help hold it down on here. Now I do. So everything's been dried off underneath and on the side of the motor. We'll see if it keeps leaking. Radiator, half filled. Alternator, installed. All right, folks, the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, the second moment. We're not starting it yet. We're gonna prime it. To tell you the truth, I'm really not ready because I don't have any of my gauges hooked up. I don't even have the valve covers taken off, so I don't even know, I won't know when the oil gets up there. Let me look in the PCV hole. Or PCV, PVC, whatever. It's PCV. Something valve. No, got a baffle. Won't be able to see it. All right, let's just see what happens to start with. See if she'll even turn. No, I don't like that. No, I mean, it's easy to turn. Yes, it gets tight, but I think it gets tight. Pressure building up, really. Let's see. No, I don't like that. What are my settings on? Oh, maybe I'll put it on fast. You know what? Let's use the drill instead of the impact. Yeah, not exactly made for it, but should work. There we go. I guess the next step would be to take the valve cover off. And this is the one that was already leaking, so I guess this would be the best one to take off. I'm gonna have to say oil was pumping pretty good. Wouldn't you? All the way up front, all the way in the back. Yeah, I'd say so. Installed. All right, everything's put back together. We may reprime it one more time before we start it, but right now the motor's back together, ready to go. I've got to get some gauges in, I got to run a few wires, but that's boring to watch. So that's going to end this video. Next time, hopefully we're starting it. So whatever garage, out.